Seeing a red flashing light on your Samsung Galaxy Buds? Don't panic. As of February 2026, this usually indicates a low battery. It means your buds need charging. However, it can also signal other issues like hardware faults or software glitches. We'll walk you through the most common causes and how to troubleshoot them, covering models from the original Galaxy Buds to the latest Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The most frequent reason for a red flashing light is a critically low battery, typically below 5 to 10% charge. Your Galaxy Buds use this alert to prevent complete discharge, which can damage the battery over time. The fix is simple. Place your buds in their charging case and connect the case to a power source. Let them charge for at least 30 minutes. A solid green light indicates a sufficient charge. If charging doesn't solve the problem, consider hardware issues. Check the charging contacts on both the buds and the case for any damage or debris. Ensure the buds are properly seated in the case. Exposure to extreme temperatures or moisture can also trigger a red flashing light as a protective shutdown. If you suspect water damage and your buds are IPX7 rated, remember that protects against splashes, not full submersion. Sometimes, outdated firmware or app incompatibilities can cause the red light. To troubleshoot, try resetting your buds. Place them in the case, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, and select Reset. Next, check for any available firmware updates for both your Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Wearable app. Keeping your software current resolves many common issues. Pay attention to the flashing pattern. A rapid red flash, occurring 3 to 5 times per second, often indicates critical battery depletion or a more serious hardware error. A slow flash might point to a pairing or Bluetooth connectivity problem. Refer to your Galaxy Wearable app. Recent updates provide more specific error codes associated with different flashing patterns. If basic troubleshooting steps like charging haven't resolved the red flashing light issue, it's time to try advanced solutions. The first option is performing a factory reset on your Galaxy Buds. The factory reset process varies slightly by model, but generally involves placing both buds in the case and using the Galaxy Wearable app. This will restore the buds to their original settings and can fix persistent software glitches. If the factory reset doesn't solve the problem, especially with older Galaxy Buds models, the red flashing light may indicate a hardware fault. Samsung provides a 1-year warranty that covers such manufacturing defects. Contact Samsung customer support through their website or app to initiate a warranty claim. They'll guide you through the process and may provide a free replacement if your buds are determined to have a hardware issue. Preventative measures are key to avoiding issues with your Galaxy Buds. Avoid fully discharging your Galaxy Buds. Store them at a charge level between 20 to 80%. Use only Samsung-approved charging accessories. For models with wireless charging, ensure proper alignment of the case on the charging pad. These practices help prolong battery life and minimize the likelihood of encountering the dreaded red flashing light. The future of wireless earbuds involves smarter diagnostics. Expect AI-driven apps to alert you to potential issues before the red light even appears. Samsung is also focusing on longer-lasting batteries and eco-friendly designs in newer models. However, beware of counterfeit accessories, which can exacerbate battery problems. Always purchase from authorized retailers to ensure genuine products and avoid potential damage to your Galaxy Buds.